Siyibonile i-album cover lapha kaMthandeni ebeyinhle kakhulu, kodwa kune-EP eyabuyela online ekade-ke ikhishiwe ngendlela engaqondakali. Iy'ngoma zakhe zikuma-trending zo-3 sey'phinde zakwenza lokho. So umuntu angeke umvale isikhathi eside. Ingoma ethi Front Seat ina-105K, ikunamba 24 lapha ku-YouTube. Umhobholo una-101,000 ama-views, iku-22 ama-trending charts, bese kuthi yena i-24/7 334,000 ikunamba 9. Ngiyakholelwa ukuthi le ngoma u-2 million ngabe seyawuxebula kube isekhona phana ku-YouTube ngoba yayisidlulile ku-1.4 million, kodwa-ke asazi ukuthi kwakudalwa yini lokho. Alright, la engifuna ukuthi sikubheke ilokhu ingoma kaMthandeni wayihamba kanje, mhlawumbe nomunye uzothi why uzoveza kanje ukhawunte iy'ngoma ziwu-4 ama-views awekho maningi. Uyazi khona into engayi-understand-ayo nesengayibona maybe abalandeli baMthandeni abathandi bomsebenzi wakhe ama-Red Nation, njengoba inkosi yabo ile Mdletshe, kunento abayithola abayi-discover-ayo base bestikha kuyona. They know if ama-views maybe awahambi ngendlela abafuna ngayo noma ama-streams awahambi ngendlela abafuna ngayo, banendlela yokuthi ena okungenani ingoma leyo or izingoma ey'thize ku-album azenze imlando ethize, wena ungayithatha kancane uyibuke kancane. Lama-views lawa it's only 625,000 iy'ngoma ziwu-4. Omunye uzothi hawu enganobani naye le nto uyenza mhlawumbe ngosuku kwashe kwacima, but at the end of the day lawo ma-views lawo akubekaphi? Akubeka right there kuma-trending charts. Ukungena kuma-trending charts akukho lula uphinde uhlale, let alone ukuthi yena ungene ebese uyakhuphuka uze ungena ko-top 10 njengoba nje enye yey'ngoma kaMthandeni isiyenzile yangena. So abantu kumele beku-understand ukuthi yena, so lokhu u-streamer without understanding, without realizing ukuthi yena what you are doing, angeke ubone into oyenzayo. Sometimes ubona ama-views ayinqwaba unga-understand ukuthi yini into ethize ingenzeki. It because at a certain time u-YouTube une-calculations ayisebenzisayo according to indlela iy'ngoma ey'ngena ngakhona or ama-video asebenza ngakhona online. Uyaqala uyabuka ukuthi yena for the past 4 days, maybe for the past 2 days, maybe let's say bakhawunta 4 hours per day, bebuka ukuthi le ngoma kule 4 hours yenze kanjani, uthole ukuthi bekhawunte-ke bekale nje ngalowo 4 hours leyo. Yingakho-ke ubona kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi hawu le ngoma inama-views amancane but iphezulu. Ingaleyo ndlela leyo maybe u-YouTube ubuka khona izinto. I may be wrong ngoba nami ngikhuluma izinto enginokuy'buka ukuthi oh le ngoma ibihamba kanje kodwa isila, but other than that engizama ukuveza ukuthi yena you can not take anything away mhlawumbeni kuMthandeni nomsebenzi wakhe, abantu abamsapothayo nabamthandayo, nabantu abaqala ukuthi mayiphuma iParis bemphushe ngempela bazi ukuthi online usebenza kanjani because bayo-understand u-online or understand better than abantu abaningi. Mhlawumbeni lokho abantu ababatsheli enough or ababaniki ukuthi beku-understand. Ingoma le ethi u-24/7 ayihleli ku-number 1 ngama-views awu-443,000. Can you imagine ukuthi lento bayimasterisha kanjani? Ukubuka igame ukuthi ihamba kanjani, ama-views ahamba kanjani ngalesi sikhathi esithize, bayitshela bona bafuna ingoma yabo ibe isila and kuba njalo. Before iphume leya ngoma awesibhejwe uSigade Umzila siyeke nje le u-24/7 ngama-views ayi-900,000. uSigade Umzila wasuhleli ku-number 1 last year, we understand. Kwakunengoma eyigolozile ukusuka. So at the end of the day awukwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe uzovela wenze nje into ebumnyameni ungazi ukuthi wenzani and hope for the best. No, you have to know what you are doing so that uzokwazi ukuthi lowo mculo omthandayo umbeke lapho ufuna umbeka khona, umkhulise umsebenzi wakhe because those numbers they are very important. in a long period of time kuzokwazeka ukuthi ubani ngesikhathi sokuthi wakwenza ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi lokho kumkhanele profile. Abanye baqashwa ngazo izinto ezinjengalezi, if you don't know. Abanye bathola ama-interviews ngazo izinto ezinjengalezi ukuthi can we look at your numbers online ukuthi wenza kanjani, are they supporting you enough? So lezi zinto ezinjengalezi ngiyazibuka nje ngithule ngiyazibheka ukuthi nalama-views lawo are-limited but so much more elaphana ngokwama-trending charts. So ilokho nje abantu engifuna bekubheke, sometimes bengabheki abantu ngeso lokuthi hhayi uyabheda ubani akabheda ubani, but ngehlo lokuthi we are learning something new. Mhlawumbe uma umlandeli olinye iqhawe ufunde kwabangalo ukuthi okay benza kanjena izinto zabo, mhlawumbe nani uma ninga-implimenta lokho maybe unganisebenzela, you understand. Ilokho nje ngifuna ukusho nje ngiveze ukuthi ihamba kanjalo-ke iPhika Mthandeni lapha online, especially ku-YouTube. Bese ngibeka nama-point amabala nje ukuthi kunezinto ezipositive eziphumayo kuyo le iPhika. Ngibonge ithuba, nisale kahle.